I'm gonna teach a multiple transformation using the only point my students can pay attention to, which is 6, 7. Okay, so here we go. It starts off with 6, 7. So I'm gonna plot that, 6, 7. So let's see, that's point A. And we're gonna rotate it 90 degrees counterclockwise. So we think about a clock. Which way does a clock go? Well, a clock, I have to look at it to think about it. A clock goes this way. So if we're gonna go counterclockwise, that means we're gonna end up 90 degrees somewhere in this area, okay? The rule for a 90-degree counterclockwise rotation is to switch the order of the points and then take the opposite of the new x. So that turns into this, 7, 6, and then take the opposite of the new x. So it'll be negative 7, 6. So let's see, where is that? Negative 7, 6. That's our A prime, okay? Done. Now, so we started off with 6, 7. And now we're at negative 7, 6. Then it says, reflect over the x-axis. So, how do I do that? Well, the rule for that is to take the opposite of the y. Since we're reflecting over the x-axis, that means keep the x. So, I'm going to keep negative 7 and change our y value to negative 6. So what that becomes is negative 7, negative 6. So that's negative 7, negative 6. So that, we'll call that a double prime. Negative 7, negative 6, and we can see why that's a reflection, because they're both the same distance from the x-axis, okay? That's why that's the reflection. Move that, there we go. Move that out of the way. Our last thing is to translate this new point, 2 left, 4 up. So that means go 2 to the left and 4 up. So that means we're gonna do x minus 2 and y plus 4. So I could do that straight on the graph. 2 to the left, 4 up. I went 2 to the left and 4 up. So my new point, we're going to call this a triple prime, is negative 9, negative 2. So after all of this, we went from 6, 7, all the way to negative 9, negative 2. That is our final point. That's how you do multiple transformations. You follow them one after another. So again, it went from 6, 7, all the way to negative 9, negative 2. So I hope that was helpful. You have a test on Monday, so, try to learn it. Bye-bye.